Hey friends, looking for a refreshing and healthy juice recipe? This juice what I about make is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and natural sweetness. It is the perfect drink for energy, glowing skin, and detox. In my previous video, I explored the benefits of beetroots in details. Please watch the video if you're yet to do so. Today's our focus is not only beetroot, but a special combo that is sure to boost your immunity and blood levels. That sweet flavor of pineapple and beetroot juice. Now let's look at the health benefits of this special drink. The health benefits of beetroot and pineapple. Juice includes, but not limited to the following: boosts energy and stamina, improves digestion and gut health, supports heart health and blood circulation, strengthens immunity with vitamin C. Naturally sweet, no added sugar. Ingredients you'll need: fresh beetroot, pineapple, optional ginger or lemon for extra flavor. Drink this in the morning, after a workout, or anytime you want a refreshing and healthy boost. Watch till the end for tips on how to make your juice taste even better. If you love healthy drinks, juicing recipes, and natural energy boosters, make sure to comment and subscribe for more delicious juice ideas.